I'm specifically asking about the civil-military imbalance that has, caused so much grief in the last 1 year, as you clearly mentioned in the first answer. Specifically, keeping to civil-military imbalance, how do you look at that?
Look, the civil-military imbalance cannot work if you want to improve Pakistan. I mean, the current civil and military imbalance has to change if you want to Pakistan to get out of this mess. And by that, I mean rule of law. You cannot have a system where the Prime Minister has the responsibility, but he does not have the authority to implement his policies because that authority is shared with the military. There's no doubt that there's a role of, you cannot wish away the role of military in Pakistan because it's entrenched for 70 years. But you need that balance. If you do not have that balance, you cannot have that governance system. That governance system is needed now for Pakistan's survival. You can only attract investment in Pakistan if you have rule of law in the country. Out of the 140 countries in the world, Pakistan's rule of law index is 129. So if you don't have rule of law, you can't attract investment. Without investment, Pakistan is stuck in this debt trap. We are stuck. We're just taking loans to pay back loans.
It's almost like a domino effect, like everything is collapsing.
So, point is, the way we stand today, unless we completely reform our governance system and base it on rule of law, I don't think, any you can come up with the best economist, but in this environment, no economic policy is going to work.